The two images above are views of the same sample of salt grains under a microscope. Which action would most likely cause the difference in the size of the individual salt grains as seen in the two views? A. Switching the objective lens. B. Adjusting the diaphragm. C. Turning the fine adjustment knob. Or D. Changing the angle of the light source.
A. Correct. The two views show the sample at different magnifications. The objective lens determines the magnification of the view, so switching the lens will change the size of the image. B. Incorrect. A change in the amount of light shining on the sample would make the sample appear darker or lighter, not larger or smaller. C. Incorrect. Turning the fine adjustment knob would change the focus of the image. This would not affect the size of the objects being viewed in the sample. D. Incorrect. Changing the angle of the light source might affect the shading on the salt grains. It would not affect the size of the objects being viewed in the sample.